Welcome, beautiful souls and seekers of healing. Today I pray for all those experiencing challenges with their knees and emotional well-being. May this prayer bring you peace, restoration, and renewed strength. Before we begin, let us take a moment to reflect on the deeper emotional aspects that may be contributing to discomfort in your knees. Our knees symbolize movement, flexibility, and our ability to embrace change. When we struggle with pride, stubbornness, or resistance to life's flow, this can manifest as pain or stiffness in our knees. As we pray together, let us surrender these burdens, release any emotional blockages, and invite God's divine healing light through Jesus to restore strength, flexibility, and peace in our lives. Now I invite you to take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your body. Feel your body begin to relax with each breath. Inhale peace and exhale stress. Allow your mind to become calm and your heart open to God's presence. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of relaxation. Let go of all worries, all tension, and allow yourself to fully surrender to God's healing power. Now gently bring your attention to your knees. Imagine them bathed in a warm, healing light. Feel this light surrounding your knees, softening any discomfort or tension. As you focus on your knees, know that God's love is flowing into them, bringing comfort, restoration, and freedom. Say in your heart this powerful healing prayer for knees. Father, I come before you today with a grateful heart, asking for your healing presence to surround my knees and restore them to their full strength, flexibility, and vitality. I know that my knees carry the weight of my burdens, both physical and emotional. I ask you to release all heaviness, all tension, and all stuckness from my knees. Father, I acknowledge that my knees may carry the weight of control, blame, anger, resentment, frustration, and inflexibility. I confess that sometimes I have resisted the flow of life, fearing change, fearing the unknown, or being unwilling to bend in the face of difficulties. I bring these burdens to you now, and I ask you to heal and release them from my body. Father, I now release the need to control and the burden of judgment. I give myself permission to move forward in my life with trust, love, and certainty. I let go of all fear, frustration, and inflexibility stored in my knees. I trust in your divine guidance and perfect plan for my knees and my life. Now I imagine the endless possibilities before me. I see my knees strong, flexible, and free. I visualize myself running with powerful knees, dancing with joy as my knees move effortlessly, bending with ease, and jumping with energy. My knees are fully restored, supporting me with confidence and grace. I embrace life with flexible, pain-free knees, trusting that you have healed them completely. Divine God's healing light, please install deeper awareness, flexibility, and a sense of freedom into my knees. Allow my knees to move with strength and ease. Heal my knees completely so I can walk and bend without pain or restriction. Now sit down and gently rub your hands together. Feel the warmth and tingling sensation growing in your palms. As you do this, visualize a powerful, radiant white light, the divine healing light of God, emanating from your hands. Place your hands gently on your knees and feel this sacred light flowing from your palms, filling your knees with God's pure, healing energy. Imagine the white light penetrating deep into every joint, ligament, and bone, dissolving pain, and any stuck energy. Feel the warmth of this divine light restoring your knees, bringing strength, flexibility, and vitality. Keep your hands on your knees as the healing light continues to work, dissolving all discomfort and releasing any remaining blockages. Feel your knees becoming lighter, freer, and completely renewed. Now say this prayer 3 times with faith and gratitude. Powerful healing light of God, please heal and regenerate my knees to their maximum strength, flexibility, and well-being. I welcome the flow of life with ease, grace, and love. Powerful healing light of God, please heal and regenerate my knees to their maximum strength, flexibility, and well-being. I welcome the flow of life with ease, grace, and love. Powerful healing light of God, please heal and regenerate my knees to their maximum strength, flexibility, and well-being. I welcome the flow of life with ease, grace, and love. Feel the divine light continuing to work within you, bringing complete healing and restoration. With each breath you take, feel your knees becoming more flexible, more at ease with life's flow. You are able to bend and move freely. You are no longer holding on to the past or resisting the present. You are aligned with the flow of life, trusting that every step you take is guided by God's perfect plan. Say with me, I bend and flow with ease. I release all stubbornness, pride, and inflexibility. I move forward with confidence, knowing that God's love and guidance are with me every step of the way. All is well. Father, I thank you for your loving presence in my life. I am grateful for your healing touch, restoring my knees to their full potential. Thank you for releasing all blockages and allowing me to experience the freedom and flexibility I need to live my life fully. I trust in your divine wisdom and perfect timing. I know that you are always guiding me, helping me grow and leading me to a life of peace, joy, and abundance. Thank you for your grace and for restoring my body, mind, and spirit. I leave this time of prayer with a renewed sense of strength and confidence, knowing that I am aligned with your perfect will and your infinite love. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling the healing light still flowing through you. Your knees are restored, your heart is open, and your spirit is free. May God bless you and grant you the peace that comes from trusting in His love and healing power.